Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. So in this box, I've opened the box, but I have not revealed the lambs. So I have friends that we're gonna be doing paint parties together and stuff. And was explaining to my friends, I think that you guys will really love Reborning. I think that if you just got into it, you'll love it. And they was like, girl, we be seeing you back and forth and it takes so long. I don't know if I want to do all that. So I saw online pre-painted kits. Me personally, if you get a pre-painted kit, I personally will add to it. I have no idea what this look like. So I'm going to do an unbox and show you guys what this look like, and it's supposed to be already painted. And what I was going to say to you guys. Yeah, it's supposed to be already painted, so I have no idea. I opened the box, took it out of the other box, and you guys can put in painted kits. So I'm going to take the bag out. Okay. They gave, this is the, well, he's tiny. This is the body. Guess it's a magnet pacifier. But, oh, I could look at this suit and oh, God, this is a tiny, tiny baby. I paid $60 for this. Oh, God, he's tiny. Probably premium. 60 something dollars, $70 for this. I didn't know he was that little. So let's look at the legs first. You guys see? To me, it looked like all they did was blushed the kit. I wouldn't consider this as painting because you see the creases. There's no paint in the creases. So basically, they did a light blushing, or what they'll call is modeling. The kit is kind of semi-soft, but he's very tiny for almost $70. Wow, he's tiny. Yeah. Guess they did a little vein here. Guys can see the vein. But it's very light. There's no creasing done, but they consider this as painted. There's no creasing done or anything like that. So I would say no, it's not. I wouldn't consider this as a painted kit. That's why I'm saying I think you still will have to do some things to it. So, but he's tiny, very tiny. Oh my God, he's tiny. So here's the arms. They did do the nails, if y'all can see, but none of the creasing or anything is done. So to me, it looked like they took this kit and did a little bit of blushing, but they did not fully paint. So I will be adding to this and final reveal the head. And I don't know the name of the kits. Have you see? They blushed the lips. So the vinyl is not real hard. So they blushed the lips, but I wouldn't consider this as a full painted kit. And so they telling you that it's painted and you just put it together, put the body together. And I would say no, I would definitely add to this. So he's going to be like a preemie. He's going to be a preemie baby. So they got a magnet in his mouth. Let's see. So they gave you the pacifier with the magnet, but there's no magnet to attach you. So you will have to drop a magnet in there. So overall, I paid close to $75 for this kit. And for me, because I paint, it's a lot of more painting that has to go with this. I just wouldn't leave it like this. But if somebody is comfortable to take this as a painted kit and just put the limbs together and, either root your hair or whatever, then, to each his own. I do love the kit overall. I love the facial features and stuff like that. Oh, it came with a bottle. So if you guys want to try these pre-painted, they call them kit. Y'all can go on eBay, put in pre-painted kit, and the kits will come up. But I don't consider this as a full paint job because the creasing and none of that is done. So if you see the creasing, something's on the bottom of his feet. So yes, you guys can I'm show y'all my final baby that I did. Y'all saw him last night. But baby JaVale, I put him in a sleeper. So yes, he's in a sleeper. So yes, like I don't know, like when I paint mines, I get all in the creasing, the details. So I try to, you know, the eyebrows, the eyelashes. So yeah, that's another thing. There's no eyebrows on here. There's no lashes. So yes, so I kind of get really into details, you know, with my baby. So I'm gonna have fun completing that baby. Overall, was it worth the $70? For me, no, I wouldn't have paid $70. I would have got the regular kit. You could find him for about $30 to $40 and unpainted. So yeah, so I'm gonna let my friends know so if they want to do that, because probably what I can do, if that's all the kits is coming, I can pre-blush their kits to kind of get them started, like do a base layer kind of like they did, just do a very light layer of blushing, and then I could you know, me and my friends can get started in painting the Reborns. So I hope that helped you guys out a lot. But yes, this baby, he's going to be going away, but I don't want to say it because the person that I'm going to gift this to, they'll be watching and they're going to know that he's there. So I don't want to, you know, let the cat out of the bag. So I am not telling. Right, Gino? Gino said, I'm not telling. Gino wants y'all to see. Look, this is a Yorkie Poo Reborn. He got some leaves in his hair. Just pluck that right out. He got some nice big eyes. He got some feet. You want to put on some clothes, Gino? Hold on, Gino want to wear some clothes. I'm finna get him some clothes because Gino wants y'all to see him. Since he want to be on camera and show somebody, sit right here. Stay. I'm finna go get you some clothes. Don't get out of the bed. Stay right there. Mama finna get you dressed. You finna be looking just like them, baby. Mama get dressed. Mama finna get you dressed. Stay there, baby. Yeah. Come put your clothes on. Come on. You want to be in the video? Sit. Put your clothes on. Yeah. You want them to see you a Reborn. Gino is a Reborn, y'all. So he wants to be in this video really bad. He wants to put on some clothes. Oh, that boy's so cute. But I mean, that mama buckled that snap. He's a Twins fan. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Watch your little balls. Gino. Look. So, guys, Gino is dressed. Y'all can get him. He's got on his onesie. Look at Gino. I got on my onesie. And I'm looking so cute. And then look in the back. He got on the whole onesie. And Gino just is cute. Gino is literally, y'all, jealous when I be with these babies. That's why he get the clucking like that. Y'all hear his chain. He wants to be with the babies. Say, me and my mama with this baby. Gino, y'all want Gino? Gino, you so cute. You jealous? Aww. So thank you guys for watching. But yes, my baby Gino is super jealous of the Reborn. So he needed to put on some clothes and do a video. Okay. Say bye-bye, Gino. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye. I'm a Reborn too.